hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's begin. Out of stock, helicopter. 6, 7. Scuba. Okay guys, let's do this.
Why is this guy screaming?
Today we are going to do a Brookhaven roleplay. Also don't mind if the voice is bad, it's cuz now we are long distance, so we had to be on call.
Carl, why is everything shaking? Anisha?
Era, you're finally awake.
What's going on?
The storm got really bad. Water came into the house. I've been trying to clean it myself.
Wait, the house flooded?
Yes, I didn't know what to do and somebody wouldn't wake up.
Okay, don't panic, I'll help you.
First, go check on Emily.
On it. Alright, she's just sleeping.
Is she safe?
Yeah, she's just sleeping, safe and sound.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Sure.
I'm just going to go change into like better clothes instead of going out in pajamas.
Yeah, same. Anisha, Era, what is happening?
You ready?
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Why is this guy screaming?
Relax, it's just a storm.
No!
Relax, me and Era are gonna go to the grocery store, so you stay here, okay?
Gonna leave me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We'll be back soon. I'll give you milk. And you can draw in your room.
Okay, you give me milk after.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Sissy.
Bye-bye. Let's go, Era.
Okay. We need food, batteries, and a bottle of water before the storm gets worse.
You're right. Oh yeah, I really hope people are not going crazy.
Yeah. Didn't we just pass by Emily's daycare?
Oh yeah, we did. And her school. They're so close together.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah. Oh look, I see the grocery store.
Yeah, we're about to reach.
Just park it somewhere. Okay, there should be at least something left. What does this say?
Yeah.
Everything is out of stock. What the heck? Let's just get in and see. Out of stock. Oh look, they have bananas and apples left. Out of stock.
That kind of food is healthy.
Yeah, but I think we have enough apple and bananas at home.
Yeah.
We should head back.
Yeah.
Girls, you shouldn't be outside. It's very dangerous.
Oh no, we left Emily home alone.
Then you guys should go home as quickly as you can. Thank you. Oh my god, we have to get home as quick as we can.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we have to check on Emily.
Yeah. We're home.
Emily?
She's not upstairs.
In the kitchen.
She's not outside either. She's gone.
Oh no.
We have to find her. Emily?
Please answer us. Wait, Era. We haven't checked the play area yet.
Let's go check.
Era, look there.
Emily! Hi. Oh my goodness. I got so scared because of the storm. So I came to the daycare area.
You scared us so much.
Let's go upstairs and make you some milk. Okay. Here's your milk.
We should make a safe room after this to stay safe.
Okay, I'm done with my drink, so I'm gonna start setting up the safe room.
Me too, I'll come help you.
Me too.
This here. Okay, this looks good enough. We have 2 beds to sleep on. We've got some LED light. We've got some food.
The only useful thing is to put it in windows.
Oh, okay.
I'm tired.
Me too.
Let's go to sleep.
Sure. Good night, Emily.
Good night, Emily. Good night.
Wait, let me just turn the lights off. It's way better
Alright.
like that. Okay, let's go to sleep. Gashoo, gashoo.
Look, pool inside the house. I'm gonna go tell Sissy. Sissy. Wake up.
What happened?
Downstairs there's a pool.
Huh?
What do you mean that you don't have a pool? Did you dream?
Oh my
No,
god.
I didn't dream.
Let's go downstairs.
What do you mean? Oh my god, it's flooded.
Huh? Oh no.
What does flooded mean? Flooded, not fooded.
What are we gonna do? Wait, I just got an alert.
What does it say? What does alert mean? And why are we screaming? Don't you know?
Guys,
We have a pool in the house.
guys.
Emily, stop messing around. Don't you know we can drown?
Guys!
What?
Let me read the alert.
Okay, my bad, say it.
Brookhaven police alert. A dangerous flood is spreading across Brookhaven. All residents must evacuate immediately using the emergency evacuation helicopters. Stay calm, stay with your family, and follow police instructions.
Wait. How do we get out the front door? The door is locked because it's flooded. What are we gonna do? Should we jump out the window?
I mean, it's our only choice.
Let's go fast.
Okay, guys, let's do this.
Come on, you can do it.
Guys, look, I see the helicopter. They are a bad driver. They are such a bad... Where'd they go? Is that going to another house or is it for us? Guys, where is the helicopter? Oh, okay, hi. Era?
Girl, come on in.
What are you doing inside?
They told me to come inside because I couldn't find the helicopter.
Oh, I'm okay. Drive safely though. I don't trust you. Baby Emily, are you okay?
I don't even have a license.
Oh, okay. Baby Emily, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay,
We're safe now.
Hey guys,
Hope you enjoyed this video.
comment down below if you want more content like this.
Anyways, bye.
See y'all guys.
It's chow, not xiao.
Same thing.
Huh? Why is everything shaking?
I forgot to shake.
Idiot. Huh? Why is everything shaking?
What happened to your other line? I'm just gonna change out of my PJs real quick.
No, like, oh.
What?
I didn't know you were filming.
Bruh. And then I'm gonna be like, why are you facing the wall?
Oh my bad.
find the hair. Oh wait, I should pause the video.
Wait, what do I say?
Just say something. It isn't that hard to improvise.
Wait, I wasn't ready. I was about to say mommy, daddy. There's no daddy in this game.
Are you ready?
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ah!
Why are you laughing?
Beautiful butt. Just beautiful butt.
Wait, where's the back? Wait, I went up to the front yard.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Why am I back up? I somehow went back up. Okay, guys, restart. More towards the actual.
Girl, what do you want me to do? Just
I can't see the helicopter.
Girl, what do you mean you can't see the helicopter? I can literally see it right there. I don't think so. You have eyes, bro.
What we wanna do on and on again. Look, it's